Hello, everyone. It is Erin Floto here, and I'm here setting up for August in my bullet journal. We'll take a look at how July is going in a little bit, but let's go ahead and get this cover page set up. As you all know, I am doing washi every single month in 2024. This month I spun the wheel and it decided pink for the month of August. I'm a little disappointed that the pink month isn't in July because that is my dog's birthday and we have a joke that pink is her favorite color. So I wish that it would have been July, but August is a good second because she's my puppy and August is my birthday month. So we are going to go ahead and set up the cover page here. So as usual, I am setting up with the sticker paper and the offsets with a colorful background. This one has pink in it, so that is why I used that background for August. I really don't think I can get over the shimmeriness of all of these cover pages. I will miss that. So here is the July setup, how it's going so far, how I'm using it. Generally speaking, everything is still going well. I really like the new style that I have for the projects page. I'm filling in my habit trackers again. I feel so much better now that I'm in the second trimester. So I think that's kind of where some things went wrong in some of the first spreads where it was getting a little hard. But now we are in the second trimester. I am feeling great. I got my blood sugar under control. I am doing really well physically. So I'm having a good time. I feel a bit high on life for sure. And of course, now that it's my birthday month, I will of course be feeling even better because I have the best freaking family that is always supporting me and making me feel super loved, and especially during my birthday month. So we have the same calendar set up here for August. Sorry that you can see my face pop in here a few times. The B5 is a big notebook and it really kind of messes me up sometimes. And I'm going to continue it in 2025. That's the plan at least. So we'll see how everything goes. Overall, like I said, everything is really kind of humming in place. As much as I miss having some sort of change in layouts and things like that, I have been really enjoying having some of that consistency. It's something that, especially at the moment when our life is really going to change dramatically, having some consistency has been really, really nice for me, especially because we're starting to mess with my office. We're getting the gym all squared away so that we can start working on the nursery, all those kinds of things. So needless to say, I'm really, really excited. So this next spread is my exercise log. It has been going so increasingly well. So I don't know if you've noticed, but in the past few months, I have kind of switched how I'm doing my exercise log from month to month, because that is the only thing that I feel like I can really mess with aside from my weeklies. So I have been doing something different when it comes to the information that I put into the boxes, which stickers I'm using to signify the day and all that kind of stuff. And I tried to keep the color of the sticker in line with that month. So it's been a little hard because there's not, I don't have a ton of orange stickers. So in July, I was kind of mixing and matching, okay, it doesn't have to do with exercise, but if I had a fruit smoothie, I put the sticker of the fruit smoothie on there or something like that. So I have been mixing it up and using some more of the stickers, so that has been helpful. So that was my exercise log, and then I think I did something else. No, I just added the washi. Okay, so that was my exercise log. My task list is the same. I have my work section, my home section, my monthly favorites, and then I have a project section. So the projects on the right hand side, this is where I started doing the sketch notes again, doing some doodling, feeling a little bit more creative because just writing them out in the separate tasks wasn't really working for me all that well. So that has been working a lot better just to get a little bit more creative juices. One of the things with doing the washi tape, I have been feeling like because everything is set up for me, my creative juices are kind of running out. And that's partly because the digital sticker kits that I do, I'm completing up until December. I only have November left. I've done all of the other months. And so I've been using my creative juices there. And now that that project is sort of starting to come to an end, I'm feeling a little creative lull here. But I will be getting into setting up 2025 soon. So hopefully that will be better. And this is my final flip through of August. I will never get over all of the shimmeriness of these spreads. It makes me so happy seeing all that shimmeriness. I just, I love it. So that is my spread. I hope that you guys are having a great month. Let me know what you are looking forward to in the month of August. And please leave some pink emojis as well. And I will see you next time. Bye, everyone.